pleasantly clear evening. Conditions absolutely beautiful. Perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well. No doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. We have in front of us this gloriously imposing arena, absolutely picture perfect for a game of this nature. If you're just joining us, we are already underway. So Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
David De Gea. He's one of the all-time great shot stoppers, Peter. His positioning is...
It's Luis Suarez!
That's a cracking strike, and it may have stung the palms of the keeper.
It's wrestled off the ball. Hoists it high.
Well, I'm not quite sure he needed to hold up play quite as much as he did then. A couple of his teammates were very annoyed.
Hit long and direct. Bruno Fernandes. Change to the score. 0-0 it remains. PK. PK with a long pass. Nicely measured pass. Too much on it, and that's the keeper's. And it's played forward. Oh, good interception. He's looked long this time. And through to the goalkeeper. Fred. Bruno Fernandes. It's Rashford. Gets a good foot in there. Semedo floats one over. That intervention was very necessary. Semedo needed to come up with a better ball.
The movement was good, but the pass lacked authority, a cause of mild frustration.
Pogba. Pogba goes looking. He's got options out wide.
That's a case of crossing in hope, and unless they provide some more options, it'll be more miss than hit.
For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. Wan-Bissaka plays it forward. Bruno Fernandes loses his balance and loses the ball. And it's Griezmann. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Half-time whistle goes. So both sides have drawn. And the second half gets underway.
Well, the first half didn't really produce the goals we'd have liked. Hopefully they've been saved for the second. For that to be the case, though, we'll need to see more...
Dembele! Goal!
Well, that's what top players do. They can seize the initiative almost single-handedly, and that goal eases them in front once more to make this second half look a little more promising. Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they've perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front, and they really commit forward in numbers too. That was all very well drilled.
And when the manager called on him, he was only too happy to repay that faith.
That's how you make an impact as a sub. You know, when most are tiring, you can impose a freshness and energy to best effect. What an introduction.
Barcelona take the lead, 1-0.
Well, whatever the manager said in that dressing room at half-time, it's worked a treat.
Out to the left it goes. Longley.
What a good way to assert your authority for this second period. They were prepared to commit numbers forward into attacking positions, and the risk has been deservedly rewarded.
oo ku sheegtay xogaa hadhow barkaacayaa takhtarka waxaan dhahaa uu ku fiicnaayo wax kale saasee ragaal markay dheysi kuraadisan
No, that is pretty much the end of that. Forward it goes.
ay kuuriyaysa waqti
That's one way of trying to make things happen. There's a few who could follow that example.
iga hafta
He's got away. Greenwood in for a hefty challenge. And the shot. It's bounced out. It's a carbon copy of the previous miss.
They're just lacking a cutting edge, Peter, and while that's fairly obvious, the rest of their attacking play is actually quite good. But this is exactly the approach they have to take now, Peter.
Jim, there's not too much subtlety or sophistication. Has a hit!
sidaas ka badnaa
Oh, that could cost them.
Marshall must have known he could ill afford to miss that. He's Mr. Angry now.
PK tries to get it forward quickly. Jordi Alba drives it forward, hoists it forward.
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
And it's played forward. Goes long. Now it's Messi. And Messi! They've scored! Two to the good. They have breathing space. Well, from right in front of goal, there was no way he was going to miss.
It's almost criminal to see a defence fail to identify someone who thrives when it comes to shooting stats. They knew, and yet they didn't heed, and they paid the price and deserved to.
He goes long. Longley. PK. Ball's loose. Who's getting there? PK goes looking. Dembele with a delicate ball. Pogba. Decent looking ball. And that will be the final act. The manager heads down the tunnel, swathed in satisfaction. His team have carried out his instructions to the word.